Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update your TCL Sweeva 6500. To do it, first make sure that your robot is currently charging, because you can only update it when the battery level is over 15% and the robot is charging. Just go into the TCL Home app, and then in the robot click on three dots in top right corner, then go down to firmware version. Now you will be able to check for updates. I can see that I have one available, and if you have an available update, then just click on update now, and then it will start to update your robot. When these lights stop flashing red and blue, then it will be, I think, done. You just need to wait until music plays.
Successfully upgraded.
And now it's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.